Good morning. I hope you're having an amazing, wonderful day. Start to your day. It's been a while, hasn't it? It has been a while since I've posted a video or shared anything here. And I'll update you a little. Well, not update, but things happen. Sometimes we just need to take a break, and that's what happened. But I'm back, and I'm gonna take you through a little bit of my day. So this will be my third time and hopefully my last time recording this video. Where to start? I am at my desk here, and this is where I usually read my business email and stuff like that, and have meetings and calls. And now it's where I am working full-time from home. I won't say what I do, but I'm working full-time with an international company, and I'm in my phase. I like it as it relates to my business, which I've had for close to 5 years. It's on pause for now, and sometimes we have to take a pause, and that's what I'm doing, and focusing on other stuff. They say, for me, I can't balance doing many things. If I try to do that, some areas, some aspect suffers. In addition to that, I have health issues that I need to work through as well to see what's going on. I've been going to a lot of doctors and stuff to see what the hell is going on with my body. And so having to deal with loss too. There was a lot going on, so I had to take a break. Now I'm back, but in a different type of setting, and that also changes how my daily life will be. I will still be active. I might not walk, but I'll the gym, and I was going to the gym because I was trying to change up things in my life, personal life. Gym is one of them. And my diet, I don't like the word diet because it's like when everybody diet is different, but I'm changing my diet to see how my gut react to the different type of food I put in my body more consistently. And so that's that. Just a little bit of what's going on behind the scene, and maybe why I wasn't in the mood to capture my life. I mean, I have a lot of videos. I don't know if I'll ever put them up, but yesterday was an earthquake. I was in the kitchen recording my day and stuff like that, and I thought it was just a drill, but it was an actual earthquake, and that also impacted how I move. I don't know if I want to be in the city any longer. I don't know. I don't like the feeling of being jumpy or anxious. I don't like that feeling. And in 2017, when I experienced the earthquake, that's how I felt like I wanted to get out of the city. I don't want to be here. Mind you, where I'm from, we have earthquake, but nothing like this. And the buildings where I used to live too, they weren't tall buildings, so if anything collapsed, we have enough room and space to move where there might not be any human or bodily damage or loss of life. So here I am in the city. I think the roads are not big enough. If the buildings crumble and we run, someone might get injured. If you're not affected by the residues, but the building might just crumble on you. So, you know, I don't like how I feel right now in regards to that. And I definitely, the city has a lot to offer, but the city is not for me. And I've tried to stick it out, and who knows how long I'll be here. Let's see. And yeah, so that's that. I am here in front of this computer, and I don't know what's next. What's next? I'm back, and I'll show you what I get up to throughout the day, daily, and maybe in the future I'll give you what are my advantage and disadvantage of working from home. Having my business, I work from home. I did everything from home. So far, what I realized is that, you know, and that's always been the case when you work for somebody else, you need to ask for permission. Whereby when I had my own business, I didn't need to ask for permission to go wherever I wanted to go, see whoever I wanted to see. So right away off the bat, that's already a disadvantage for working for someone. But yeah. But yeah, that's that. Like I said, you know, I'm back. And I will show you what I get up to daily working from home for someone else. I'm gonna go back to typing. I'm out with Handy, walking in the sun. What are the benefits of walking? For me, it helps me relax, and besides that, it's something I love to do. And I don't want to be sitting all day at the desk, at the dining table. So by the end of this, I hope I'm not a gordita. We're heading back to the flat to get some work done. Well, I am heading back to the flat to get some. Welcome to my Walk Good production, because I'm always walking. So we have our Walk Good production. To the gym after work, and I'm gonna spend a couple hours, not hours, let's see, I'm just gonna do some cardio, and that's it for the day. Leaving the gym, heading back home, and I was just thinking and reflecting on a lot of things, but I'm gonna end right here. See you tomorrow. Stay positive, think on possibilities, and remember, whatever you do, make sure it brings you joy and happiness. Great joy and happiness. Bye. See you in the next video.